Ariantino. I'm from TBIC and I'm the 5th semester student. Okay, in this video I am going to make media that can be used in teaching learning process in order to stimulate the students to imagine their thinking. Okay, in this video I am going to make media that we can choose in our teaching learning process. In this case I am using a puppet for teaching young learner telling a story. We can use this in telling story class, or what is that, or in the listening class. How to make puppet? First that you need to have is tools and materials. First, a blank sheet of paper, scissors, printed character, a tape, a stick. First, cut the character using scissors that have been printed according to its shape. You need to be careful in cutting the shape of this character. And also cut the supporting character using scissors. Okay, you need to prepare a blank of paper and also a glue. You already have cut the supporting character and also the character that you have printed, and then you need to paste them onto the blank paper that you have using a glue. The last, paste the paper to the wall using a tape. Perhaps this is the one of complicated part. You can tell someone to help you. And the use of this media will be look like this. One day in the forest, a rabbit and a tortoise meet together. The rabbit started to brag about himself. "You know, I'm the fastest runner in the world," said the rabbit.
"Is that true? I think I can beat you on a run too," the tortoise said. The rabbit laughed heartily at the tortoise. "Your walk is so slow. How can you run fast?" said the rabbit. "Oh, let's prove it."
okay, maybe that's how this media will be look like in the classroom real-time situation. You can use this media, a puppet, on your classroom to improve your classroom situation so that your student can be better in experience. I think in imagination in the telling stories. uh, okay, maybe that's all I can explain, and also um, telling about this media to you. I want to say thank you so much for teaching us in this semester, and I hope you always good, always healthy, so that we can meet together in the next semester. Thank you so much for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.